Jerusalem is one of the oldest cities in the world. The old city of Jerusalem has been a center of culture, religion, and history of thousands of years. Jerusalem is considered holy city to the three major Abrahamic religions: Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. The old city is home to the Western Wall. This is the last remaining wall of what was once the Jewish temple. Above the Western Wall lies the Dome of the Rock, which is important for Muslims as one night Prophet Muhammad was taken up to heaven from the side of the Dome of the Rock for a meeting with Allah. Just a few minutes walk away lies the Church of the Holy Tomb. This is where Jesus was crucified and buried. Every brick and stone of Jerusalem is full of history. During its long history, Jerusalem has been destroyed at least twice, designed 23 times, captured and recaptured 44 times, and attacked 52 times. Jerusalem has been conquered more than 40 times, including by the Persians, the Romans, the Ottomans, and the British Empire. More than 100 battles have been fought for control of Jerusalem over the course of its history. No Arab or Muslim power ever declared Jerusalem as its capital. Over the centuries, Jerusalem has been ruled by various invading empires. Other than the Crusaders, the rulers made their capitals Caesarea, Damascus, Baghdad, Cairo, and Constantinople, but not Jerusalem. Jerusalem is a walled city. Its walls are about 2.5 miles long, 40 feet tall, and 8 feet thick. There are 34 watchtowers along Jerusalem's walls, and there are 7 gates for traffic. Some of the olive trees in Jerusalem are more than 800 years old. Jerusalem is the third holiest city in Islam, outside of Mecca and Medina in Saudi Arabia. Al-Aqsa Mosque was the first Qibla of Muslims in the Islamic Prophet Muhammad's time. The Qibla was used for over 13 years. Qibla is the direction that should be faced when a Muslim prays during Salah. In the Middle Ages, Jews were banned from Jerusalem by Christians, and later the ban was lifted by Muslims. Please leave a comment about the city of Jerusalem and subscribe to the channel to stay with us.